各位朋友大家好，今天是我们 Call Annie 英文活用口说练习的第4集。那有别于前3集我都是用电脑版本的 Call Annie 来录制，今天我想要用这个App 版，就是可以用在你的平板跟手机的这个 App 版。那跟电脑版本最大的不同就是 App 版呢比较多的一些我觉得还不错的功能，所以你可以先看一下这个画面，点这个右上角3个白色的点点，这边有可以设置的地方，就是我曾经在前面几集有提到过，你可以设定 Annie 的语速，看你是要它讲慢一点点，或者是正常语速，或者是比较快速的。我觉得如果你是初学者的话，觉得 Annie 讲话速度太快的话，你可以在这边先做一个设定。好，接下来呢，我们今天主要着重在这个 English learning scenario， 就是英文学习的这个情境部分。那 Call Annie 呢，它非常的贴心，因为它主要是让你可以有各种练习说英文的这个机会。好，所以呢，它设计了各种不同的主题，但是呢，这个使用者付费的原则嘛，如果你想要点开这里所有的这个其他五花八门的主题呢，你都是必须要去加入它的会员这样子。所以你可以看到每一个主题，如果右下角有这个白色的锁头的部分呢，就是要付费的。但还好我们还是有一些免费的，大概就是将近10个，就是第一个部分嘛，譬如说像是每日的日常对话啦，或者是旅行啦，或者是工作等等的。那我们用这些的话其实还蛮够的，如果你不断的练习，让自己讲得更顺这样子。好，那等一下我会测试其中1-2种这样子，但是因为点下去的时候呢，我就基本上就不会再用中文说明，所以这边先跟各位提一下，你会发现前面几集我在示范跟 Annie 的互动都是我先想我要怎么样运用 Annie 这个工具这样子，所以我会想譬如说用 podcast 的方式啦，或者是我会想一个主题这样子。那现在他已经把我主题想好了，所以这个部分呢，我就可以节省我一点点脑力这样子。再来就是呢，等一下你会看到在对话的过程当中，有些时候它会有一些暗示，就是譬如说好了，我们这样看一下，我选一个我最不熟悉的，譬如说旅行的部分，你可以看到第一个嘛是探索纽约，那因为我也没有去过纽约这样子，所以我不知道等一下他会问我什么，可能我会答不出来，或者是对一些有名的景点事实上我是不熟悉的，但是呢他会给我一些暗示，然后呢在每一个他问的问题结束的时候呢，可能我们要按下一个这样子，他才会继续接下去。在最后结束的时候呢，他会帮你统计你讲了多少时间，然后讲了多少个字。所以如果你每次都可以练习的让自己讲的时间越久，讲的字数越多，你会越来越有成就感。好，那我们现在废话不啰嗦了，我们先试试看吧。那我们就选这个我没有去过的纽约。好，那我点下去了。Hello Annie。
在这个练习中，我们正在回忆我们去纽约的旅行，在那里我们参观了像自由女神像这样的令人兴奋的地方。这是一个练习过去简单时态的好机会。 Let's start now. Hey, do you remember our trip to the Statue of Liberty? Wasn't it amazing?
Yes, absolutely. I did remember our trip to New York. The Statue of Liberty was not only breathtaking but also magnificent. I used to see the Statue of Liberty on the textbook only. Now I could, witness it in front of me. That was very memorable.
That's awesome. It's such a cool feeling to see something in person that you've only seen in books or on TV. Did you take any pictures of the Statue of Liberty?
Of course I did. I took a lot of pictures of the Statue of Liberty, and I also purchased some souvenirs, such as the key rings and the magnets with the Statue of Liberty on it.
That's great. Souvenirs are a wonderful way to remember a trip. I bet those key rings and magnets will bring back fond memories every time you see them. Did you get a chance to go inside the Statue of Liberty or just admire it from the outside?
Unfortunately, I didn't have much time to go inside the Statue of Liberty. I just stayed outside and stared at it from a distance. But still, it was so much fun.
Even just admiring the Statue of Liberty from the outside is an incredible experience. It's such an iconic symbol of freedom, and it's amazing to see it up close. Did you learn any interesting facts about the Statue of Liberty during your visit?
Yes, but to be honest, before I went to New York, I have already read some history about America, and I know the French gave America the Statue of Liberty as a gift. I think it's roughly 100 years ago. If my memory serves me right, I'm not quite sure about the exact years, but I know the basic background about Statue of Liberty.
That's impressive. You're right. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the United States. It was dedicated in 1886, so it's been standing tall for over a century. It's great that you had some background knowledge before your visit. Did you learn anything else interesting about New York during your trip?
Yes. Before I went to New York, frankly speaking, I was a little bit nervous and scared. Because maybe I watched too many American movies, so in my mind I always pictures that while there must be some mobs or some gangs activities in New York, and it might not be safe for me to walk alone on the streets at night. But after I had a chance to go see New York by myself, I felt that maybe I was affected by the impact of the movies too much. New York was far more exciting and inviting for me that I had to admit that I really love New York now.
I totally understand where you're coming from. Movies can sometimes create exaggerated perceptions of places, especially when it comes to big cities like New York. But I'm glad to hear that your experience in New York was different from what you expected. 在这个场景中，我们会一起参观罗马斗兽场和。
好，所以这个就是刚刚我跟 Annie 在练习这个纽约的场景哈。那我们也可以换其他的哈，所以你可以一样点开这个3个点，然后去找你觉得蛮有兴趣的主题当然对我们的首要条件就是这个是免费的如果要付费的话你就要花钱这样子OK， 那我们再试一个比较简单的譬如说在 Annie 家吃晚餐好了，那我们点进去看看。
Good to see you again. How is it going?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
In this scenario, I invite you to my home for dinner. We talk about our favorite dishes and you lend a hand in the kitchen. Learn to discuss ingredients, cooking methods, and express preferences on food. Let's start now. I'm glad you could make it. Tonight I'm making spaghetti. By the way, what's your favorite dish? And do you like cooking?
Yes, I love pizza and also spaghetti is one of my favorites. But to be honest, I don't quite enjoy cooking because I have to admit that I'm all thumbs when it comes to cooking, and so I enjoy eating rather than cooking.
That's totally okay. We all have our strengths and preferences. It's great that you enjoy eating, and I'm happy to cook for you tonight. So, what toppings do you like on your pizza? And would you like to help me chop some vegetables for the spaghetti sauce?
Well, my favorite toppings for the pizza are the hams, bacons, and some mozzarella cheese. And also I like some green pepper, tomatoes, and some coins. And no problem, I could help you chopping. I could help you chop the vegetables.
Great choices for pizza toppings. Ham, bacon, and mozzarella cheese sound delicious. And I love the combination of green peppers, tomatoes, and onions too. Let's get started with chopping the vegetables. Could you please chop the green peppers into small pieces while I prepare the tomatoes and onions?
No problem. I'll chop the green peppers into small pieces for you.
Thank you so much for helping out. You're doing a great job chopping the green peppers. While you're at it, I'll slice the tomatoes and dice the onions. It's going to be a colorful and flavorful spaghetti sauce. By the way, do you prefer your spaghetti sauce to be more on the sweeter side or more savory?
I prefer my spaghetti sauce to be more savory.
Got it. I'll make sure to season the spaghetti sauce to bring out the savory flavors. We'll add some garlic, oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the taste. It's going to be delicious. While the sauce simmers, let's set the table. Could you please grab the plates and utensils from the cupboard?
No problems. Here are the utensils and the things you need.
Thank you for helping set the table. You're such a great friend. Now that everything is ready, we can enjoy our homemade pizza and spaghetti. I'll make sure to cook the pizza to perfection with those tasty toppings you picked out.
好，那这很简单的哈，我们只是稍微示范一下哈。那希望各位的有机会都可以去练习看看哈，这个 Call Annie 的情境哈。我认为就是你要购买一个 App 或是成为它的会员之前呢哈，你就是多练习，把这个免费的部分都全部练得很透彻的，你觉得真的很需要，或者是它可以对你的口说能力有长足的进步，那你就可以成为会员。那如果你不想要用这种情境的话呢，你也可以像我一样哈，就是事先动脑想个主题，让 Annie 去配合你。我觉得这也是一个很不错的方式哈。那今天第4集的这个 Call Annie 的英文口说的应用示范就到这里好，那希望下一次呢也可以再想其他的主题来介绍给大家好。那如果对这个影片呢觉得很有趣很有帮助的话呢，麻烦再帮我点个赞，然后分享给其他的人。那我们就下一次再见咯，拜拜。